Hey everybody, welcome to Landscape Rescue. My name's Stuart Moore, and today we're at my house. We're working in this big bed up front. This is the one I want to concentrate on because my backyard's been torn up by the Lollipop, who is my Bernese Mountain Doodle. So you guys know, I have given up on flower beds in the backyard. Like today, for instance, she viciously attacked a small baby sunflower. Didn't even do anything. She was just riled up and she was gonna kick something's butt because she wanted to play. And that sunflower was the unfortunate victim of that. Like I said, I've given up over there, so I'm just concentrating on the front. It's worth it. I love her, so she can do no wrong. She's daddy's girl. I got some new music for you guys. I think you might like it. Instead of filming like I should have been doing, messing around with music all day. So priorities, right? Let's get planting some stuff. I did find some bags of Biotone. So I have some small bags of Biotone. We're going to be using that, 2-year fertilizer tablets, and maybe some of the triple 14. All right, let's do it.
Yo. Young buck, call him the Flora Prince. Talking about hostas, got him convinced. Hydrangeas bloom while he spins his game. Every cougar in town, steady screaming his name. Plant whisperer, got them all enchanted. Older women falling, hearts implanted. From azaleas to the sweet camellia, he's the garden guru and they wanna feel ya. Plant whisperer, got them all enchanted. Older women falling, hearts implanted. From azaleas to the sweet camellia, he's the garden guru and they wanna feel ya. He strolls up, moach talk on his lips. Got rhododendrons tighter than ship grips. Daylilies dance when his wisdom sprouts. Every tea sipper knows what he's about. Prune game sharp, leaf talk divine. Rose bushes blush in his sunlight shine. Ferns sway slower, orchids take note. His charm on women is a velvet coated quote. Hoya vines twine round his golden speech. Eucalyptus cool, wisdom for each. Tulip tips on soil got him starry-eyed. Midlife queens dream of being his bride. Plant whisperer, got them all enchanted. Older women falling, hearts implanted. From azaleas to the sweet camellia, he's the garden guru and they wanna feel ya. Plant whisperer, got them all enchanted. Older women falling, hearts implanted. From azaleas to the sweet camellia, he's the garden guru and they wanna feel ya. Got them all enchanted. Older women falling, hearts implanted. From azaleas to the sweet camellia, he's the garden guru and they wanna feel ya. Plant whisperer, got them all enchanted. Older women falling, hearts implanted. From azaleas to the sweet camellia, he's the garden guru and they wanna feel ya.
Rolling in the Prius, cruel wit of efficiency. Windows down, the sun hisses, feels my supremacy. Lowe's lot lurking, clearance racks my chessboard. Zone 6 survivors, hardy gang, plant lords. Clearance sniper, these deals ain't pretend. Perennials in the trunk, man, I'm starting a trend. Host of Sudden, black eyed Susan with a blend. Rolling green soldier, stacking roots to the end. Side mirrors crack, yet the vision crystal clear. Nursery gladiator, I'm the gardener they fear. Grabbing ferns till my wallet's tight like spandex. Driveway filled with pots, I flex nature complex. Leaf game insane, no filters, raw and dirty. Shrubs in my cart like I'm 30-30 with birdies. Hydrangea dripped heavy, petals color shifty. Lows dropping bags on sales, I'm thrifty. Mulch in the back, Prius riding so low key. Urban jungle architect, whisper to my oak tree. Etching Nasi blazing, drought ain't phasing the flows. Rapping zone 6 hardy while I guard my rows. Clearance sniper, these deals ain't pretend. Perennials in the trunk, man, I'm starting a trend. Host of Sudden, black eyed Susan with a blend. Rolling green soldier, stacking roots to the end.
beat, hostas grooving.
That's what happens when you're a genius and you decide to film and not check your batteries. Good times. I'm a professional at this.
In the heat, hydrangeas sway like they're on stage. Rudbeckia blooms set the age. Let's dance in Zone 6 paradise. Beneficial fungus playing nice. Soul health, we're feeling grand. The Gardens Orchestra takes a stand. Compost beats beneath our lawn. Earthworms jive from dusk to dawn. Plant roots reach down deep below, where the disco soil stays aglow. Let's dance in Zone 6 paradise. Beneficial fungus playing nice. Soul health, we're feeling grand. The Gardens Orchestra takes a stand. Mulch on the bass and the sun on brass. Nature's groove will always last. Raindrops out the snare so smooth. Zone 6 groove, you'll find your mood. Hosta leaves wave their hands. Hydrangea blooms in demand. Rudbeckia shines a golden hue. Watch it sparkle in the dew.
Out in my yard, sun blazing, feeling divine. But naked horticulture should have read the dang sign. Neighbors' binoculars got me on blast. Now they call me pedal gangster, exposing that past. Don't trim them hedges with your cheeks exposed. You'll get thorns in places that remain undisclosed. From roses to tulips, the pain ain't fake. Learned the hard way, no naked garden break. Shovel in hand, thought I was sly, but mosquitoes found me, left me high and dry. You ain't a king just cause you're pruning in the buff. A bee up your crack or have you screaming enough. Lawn's a battlefield, yeah, call it the trap. Ants and critters got me doing the clap snaps. Hustling flowers, but my swag got fried. Sunburned booty is a gangster's pride denied. Cause old Miss Jenkins out to water a pet caught me squatting low like a poor baguette. She yelled, "Put it away!" Called 911, had to hide in shrubbery till the show was done. Don't prune your daisies with your moon on display. Naked landscaping's a dangerous ballet. From thorns to the bugs, they'll all infiltrate. Now my flower bed's cursed by my garden fate.
Spread in white and green, a velvet touch like you've never seen. Your garden's trying, but it's looking thin. Mine's a fortress where plants always win. where quick fire hydrangeas blooming so proud, towering high, stealing every cloud. Your flowers flop when the wind comes through, but mine stand tall like champions do. Oh, my garden's tough, it's bold as can be. It's a corner of heaven, just wait and see. From black-eyed Susans to purple coneflowers, my plants could face down any stormy hour. Black-eyed Susans, golden sparks so bright, sun-kissed warriors soaking up the light. Your patch looks tired, drooping in the sun. Mine's a battleground where beauty's won. Purple coneflowers with their heads held high, strong against rain, reaching for the sky. Every petal's loud, screaming out with flair, while yours stay hidden like they wouldn't dare. Oh, my garden's tough, it's bold as can be. It's a corner of heaven, just wait and see. From black-eyed Susans to purple coneflowers, my plants could face down any stormy hour. It's bold as can be. It's a corner of heaven, just wait and see. From black-eyed Susans to purple coneflowers, my plants could face down any stormy hour. Sunlight breaks on the morning dew, roots run deep like they always do. Hands in the soil but my mind is clear, training in peace so I'll conquer fear. It's better to be a warrior in the garden than a gardener in a war begging for pardon. Stay sharp with a heart that's calm as the stream, prepared for the fight but living the dream. These seeds I sow, they teach me grace, but the scars I bear ain't out of place. Each thorn reminds what I've endured. Strength grows quiet, steady, assured. It's better to be a warrior in the garden than a gardener in a war begging for pardon. Stay sharp with a heart that's calm as the stream, prepared for the fight but living the dream. The winds may howl, the storms may rise, but I stand firm under changing skies. If the battle calls, I'll protect this land with peace in my soul and a sword in hand. Flowers bloom, the seasons turn. In stillness here, there's much to learn. But don't mistake roots for a chain. I'll rise when needed and fight through the pain.
Guys, thanks a bunch for coming along. I hope you enjoyed the music. My name's Stuart Moore. This is Landscape Rescue. And thank you very much for letting me into your home to talk about plants.